Okay, our sound for today is ng. So you've got your n and your g, your n and your g, which makes the ng sound together. It's a digraph, two letters that makes one sound. So you do a n, and then you go round the little girl's face, down her hair, give her a curl. Ng, ng, ng. So go over Nobby's neck. And then we go round the little girl's face, down, give her a curl. Over Nobby's neck, round her face, down, give her a little curl. Got ng. First ng word I want you to write down is the word sing. S, I, ng. So you need s first. S, I, ng. So s, I, ng. Second word I want you to have a try with is long. L, O, ng. L, O, ng. Long. So we've got sing and long. The third one I want you to have a try with is the word song. S, O, ng. So you need s, o, ng. So you need a s first, then your o sound, and then your ng sound. So we've got sing, long, song. Okay, your sentence I want you to write down is the word I sing a long song. Have a try with that one. I'll write it here on the board for you once you've had a try to check your work. So you need a capital letter I, don't forget your finger spaces. I sing a long. Don't forget to read through, keep reading through to check you haven't missed any letters or any words. I sing a long song. S, O, ng. I sing a long song. That's up to you if you want to put a full stop. I'm going to make mine into an exclamation mark. This is a very, very, very long song. I sing a long song. Have a check that your letters are around the right way, check that you've used finger spaces, used a capital letter at the beginning and a full stop or an exclamation mark at the end. Well done. Good job. If you've done a good job, give yourself a smiley face. Any mistakes that you've made, don't worry, just go back and you can either correct them or you can write them again underneath correctly. It's up to you. Okay, bye.